Mastic is a raisin from the mastic tree, traditionally produced on the Greek island of Chios. In Turkish, Chios is called Sakızlı, translating to island of gum. Mastic trees existed since the Middle Ages in Chios. Mastic gum once worth its weight in gold. Therefore, the island was attractive during the Middle Ages. The Byzantine Empire and the Genoese ruled the island respectively. Under the Byzantine Empire, the mastic trade became the emperor's monopoly. It is said that Christopher Columbus was originally born on the island of Chios and later settled in Genoa. Since he knew how much the mastic gum of that island could be revived, he set out on his expedition to look for other places where gum could grow. Mastic had an important place in the medicine and pharmaceutical industry at first. Greek physician and philosopher Hippocrates prescribed mastic to calm an upset stomach, while the Roman physician Galen thought it was good for bronchitis and improving the blood. Persian physician and philosopher Avicenna stated that mastic can be used as a regulator of the digestive system, providing regular functioning of the stomach and liver and affecting brain development. In 1566, the Ottoman Empire seized the island during the reign of Suleiman the Magnificent. It was an Ottoman province until 1913. Mastic has been used in Turkish kitchens since then, from milky desserts to ice cream and Turkish delights. Grind the mastic gums with mortar and pestle. You can mix 3 grams ground mastic gum per 100 grams ground coffee and store it in a container. Put the water in the coffee pot first. Add the coffee. Add the ground mastic gums. Add sugar or honey if desired. Stir the mixture slowly until the coffee grounds are completely soaked. Cook the coffee over medium heat. When ready, pour the coffee into the cup at once. Wait 3 to 5 minutes before drinking. The aroma of Turkish coffee and the refreshing effect of mastic gum is just amazing. Afiyet olsun. See you next lesson.